and the less flow downstream.
No, actually it will be yeah. See,
If you close this valve,
if you close this one and you have a level transmitter here, you can see. So you will reach to one level and it will stop in all cases.
Is main functioning of this is
so we need to generate the consequence. If this valve close, what will be consequence?
The level will come a little bit down, but not. It will be like to the acceptable level. Yeah.
No problem. So we are saying that potential less level in the tank downstream
Yes.
and high level in upstream. High level will come because it is coming through a pump, and from that it is coming by gravity. Gravity no problem, but that will overflow.
or we will say, okay, we link this one interlock with the pump, so that you can capture.
Yes, correct. I have considered LH. This is okay. But now more critical is this one, this membrane blockage. Because this can create no flow, right? If MBR 901A, any membrane gets blocked, so potential high level in this tank and the low flow here are permeate.
Yes.
So
Both you have to take that.
yes, any membrane, right? Any MBR potential blockage.
And we have a potential
Blockage. So potential high level.
India blockage is then they have to start CIP or whatever.
Tank 901.
Yeah.
If there is a blockage, the consequences there will be no treatment.
Yeah. Now they need to explain, and low flow are permeate. Low flow.
No, low flow don't also this transmembrane pressure you have to monitor, no?
And that is a
That is safeguard. That is safeguard. I am saying if